If you've ever thought about making some extra $100 every day without slaving away at something boring, you're not alone. The good news is that in 2025, you really can do it with AI. These tools are like having a smart assistant who never sleeps, doesn't complain, and cranks out work way faster than you could on your own. And no, you don't need to be a coder or a tech wizard to figure them out. With the right strategy, AI can help you hit that $100 daily mark through freelancing, digital products, or even running your own small online hustle. In this video, we'll break down how to make money with AI right now. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. Number 10. 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an AI voice generation tool that creates super realistic voices in different tones, styles, and even languages. In 2025, it's one of the go-to AI tools for anyone making audiobooks, podcasts, voiceovers for ads, or even dubbing videos. You don't need a recording studio or professional mic. Just type the script, pick a voice, and let 11 Labs do the rest. To make $100 a day, you can offer voiceover services with this tool. Businesses, YouTubers, and e-learning creators all need professional-sounding narration. You can charge $30 to $50 for short voiceovers and $100 plus for longer projects. Since the AI does the heavy lifting, you can turn projects around fast and handle multiple clients a day. Imagine making money as a voice actor without ever stepping into a recording booth. 11 Labs makes that possible. Number 9. Veo 3. Veo 3 is Google's advanced text-to-video generator tool, and it's wild. You type a script or description, and it creates realistic video footage, complete with motion and scenes. You don't need a camera, lights, or actors anymore. This opens up tons of opportunities. You can create ad videos for businesses who can't afford a production team. You can launch a faceless YouTube channel where the entire content is AI-generated videos with your script. Or you can sell video templates online. People are already charging $100 to $300 for short video ads made with tools like Veo 3. If you've ever wanted to make money with video but hated filming, Veo 3 is like having a Hollywood studio in your laptop. Number 8. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an AI-powered copywriting tool that helps you craft catchy headlines, add text, emails, and even long-form articles. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. Businesses are always desperate for content that sells. You can offer ad campaigns, email sequences, or sales pages. Charge $50 to $100 per project. And if you land just 2 clients in a day, you're already past your $100 goal. If you've ever stared at a blank page thinking about what to write, Copy.ai makes sure that moment never happens, and clients pay for that. Number 7. Opus Clip. Video is the king of content right now, and Opus Clip makes editing super easy. You feed this AI tool a long video, and it automatically chops it up into short, TikTok-style clips. That's gold for creators and businesses who want to stay active on socials without spending hours editing. This is a hot freelance service in 2025. You can offer to repurpose content for creators. Charge $100 for 10 short clips, and since the AI does the heavy lifting, you're basically just curating the best parts and polishing them. Do this for just 2 clients a week, and you're already averaging more than $100 a day. Think about every YouTuber, coach, and business owner drowning in long videos. Opus Clip turns their content into cash for you. Number 6. Notion AI. Notion AI is like having a personal assistant baked right into your workspace. It helps you organize projects, write meeting notes, generate summaries, and even brainstorm new ideas. Think of it as a mix between a planner, a writer, and a productivity coach, all powered by AI. And you can make money with it by offering productivity setups for freelancers, startups, or small businesses. You can create customized Notion dashboards with AI-powered features like auto-generated reports, task prioritization, or weekly summaries. People will gladly pay $100 to $300 for a polished system that saves hours every week. If you've ever wished you could sell organization as a service, Notion AI turns that skill into a profitable hustle. Number 5. Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI video generator tool that lets you create professional-looking videos with virtual presenters. You just type in your script, choose an AI avatar, and in minutes you've got a video that looks like it was shot in a studio. No cameras, no actors, no editing headaches. This AI tool is a goldmine for making training videos, explainer content, or even marketing presentations for businesses. Companies spend thousands on video production, but you can deliver similar results at a fraction of the cost, while still charging a nice fee. Even if you only make one video a day and charge $100 to $150 for it, you're hitting your daily income target. And because Synthesia is so fast, you can actually handle multiple projects in the same day. Think about it. You could be producing studio-quality videos from your couch and charging real studio prices. That's the kind of edge Synthesia gives you. Number 4. Canva. By now, Canva is way more than a simple tool. In 2025, it's got built-in AI features that let you generate images, resize content for every platform, and even auto-edit videos. You don't need Photoshop skills anymore. You just need an eye for what looks good. You can easily make money by offering design services for small businesses, social media graphics, flyers, menus, or even short promo videos. People don't have time to make this stuff themselves, and Canva makes it ridiculously fast for you. Many freelancers crank out a full month of branded posts for a client in just a few hours and pocket $200 to $300. That's 2 or 3 days of work for them, and the rest of the week is free. Imagine doing in 2 hours what used to take designers 2 days, then charging for the value, not the time. Number 3. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like having a super smart friend who's great at writing, explaining stuff, and brainstorming. If you need a blog post, an email draft, or even customer support replies, ChatGPT can handle it. People are using it for freelancing gigs every single day, writing blog posts for businesses, whipping up newsletters, or even helping someone outline a book. Here's where the money comes in. Businesses pay for content. If you can deliver 4 or 5 blog posts in a day with the help of ChatGPT, and each one nets you $20 to $30, you're already hitting your $100 mark. The trick is to polish what the AI gives you. Don't just copy and paste. Add your own human touch. Make sure it's clean and engaging. Think about it. If you're already decent at writing but hate the slow part, why not let ChatGPT speed things up and double your output? Number 2. Midjourney. Midjourney is like a magical tool for images. You type in what you want, and it spits out artwork that looks like a professional designer made it. People are building whole businesses around selling Midjourney images as stock art, merch designs, or even custom illustrations for clients. One way to hit $100 a day is to sell t-shirt designs on print-on-demand sites. You make a few dozen cool designs in Midjourney, upload them, and every sale gives you a cut. Another way is to offer custom illustrations on Fiverr or Upwork. If someone wants unique album art, a book cover, or branded graphics, you can charge $50 to $150 easily. If you've got creativity but no drawing skills, Midjourney turns your ideas into income-ready art overnight. Number 1. Jasper. Jasper is a really impressive AI tool for writing, but it's built for marketing. Imagine needing snappy ad copy, email subject lines that actually get clicks, or product descriptions that sound irresistible. That's Jasper's playground. Businesses will pay good money for copy that sells because even a small boost in sales can mean thousands for them. You can offer people social media post packages. You generate a month's worth of posts, captions, and maybe even some hashtags for a small business. Charge them a flat $150 for the set, and suddenly your $100 goal feels tiny. Or maybe you write ad copy for e-commerce stores. They'll gladly pay $50 to $100 per project because every sale counts. If you've ever thought that you could write better ads than this, Jasper lets you do it at scale, and people will pay you for it. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.